How to check my top artist on Spotify. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device. And here, search Stats for Spotify. After you search Stats for Spotify, click on it. Then you'll find Top Artist. Click on Top Artist, and if it's your first time in this website, you will need to log in with your Spotify account. Then press on Top Artist, and you will find last 4 weeks, last 6 months, and last 12 months. In my case, I've not used my Spotify, so there is an error, but you will find it in here. And this is how to check my top artist on Spotify. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for